So this time we're going to be working on a 3D print that has been damaged. And by damaged, I'll show you what I mean. Let's get things switched around here. Go to the other camera. So, got my little kitty cat model, and it took a tumble. As you can see, one of the legs is broken. I have the little bit here, and what we're going to be doing is piecing it all back together. I've done this before to this exact same one. Initially, that part of the leg got ripped off when I was removing it from the support material from the print. Got it fixed, and then it took a tumble and just happened to hit something hard on the way down. And it caused the repair I did originally to fail. So we're going to fix that. Relatively easy. Just get something to hold everything in place. And get this put down. Getting things lined up with these repairs is always the hardest part. Now we want our soldering iron, which if I was a little bit late coming back, it was because I thought I had it plugged in already. Surprise for me, it wasn't. Okay, well that's still kind of hot from the soldering iron. Let's try to let it get too solid again. So we're just gonna melt that back. Okay, that way is not going to work, so we will go to the what I like to call my surefire method. Although it does take a bit more effort. There we go. Now I've made a little extra bit of filament on there, and we can use the soldering iron to basically force it to the side. Like so. Now with this, jam this up in there as tight as it can go. And we take our little broken off piece, just fit it in there. Now we take our soldering iron and just heat up. Trying to be careful and get it to actually go where we want it to go. Can now remove that. And work to get it back in line. Oh. Well, this one might not work out like I had hoped. Yeah. Well, there's always the other method of fixing something. So, we will do it that way. And of course, by that way I mean using filament to replace the broken leg. So I need something like that. Okay. That looks rather horrible. But it is back on. Now let's just get it to melt all the way through, which I thought I had done last time, but apparently not. About to lose it again. All right. Oh. There we go. One repaired 3D printed cat leg. For the second time, let's hope there's not a third. Let's pull this up here so you can see the repair. All right. So that's how we fix a 3D print if we've broken it by accidental drop. I'm hoping this doesn't happen again. But that said, that's going to be it for this 3D printing session video. That's all for this session of polygonal art with JoRaSe. If you enjoyed what you saw, how about giving this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos from me. In the video description below, you'll find my Patreon link. Feel free to check it out. Now, on to the credits.